So I mentioned that competition can be a good thing, and it can actually be a really good thing because the other titles in your genre or in your niche are going to have some customer reviews that you can use to your advantage. I'm going to show you how this works. So I'm going to check out this book. And normally normally the 1-star people are just, angry and bitter at life. But you can take a look and see what see what their beef is. And I think you're going to find more value. You're going to find more balanced criticism, or more constructive criticism rather, kind of in the 2, 3, and 4-star level. But for every book that would be considered a direct competitor or a kind of a complementary product to yours, I would check out and see what these customers are looking for. And you can say, like, look, what was wrong with this? It was good, but it was too short. It was good, but it was a commercial for, where's the one that says it was a commercial for EA Help? Yes, it was a white paper for EA Help. Something like that. So when you're crafting your work, you can say, okay, I'm going to address these. And also, you can look at the 5-star reviews. Say, what did people like about this? So you want to be sure to, that you look for the positives too. So that way you can apply the lessons from those who have gone before you. They're out there testing the market almost on your behalf, and you can kind of learn from their lessons that they had to learn the hard way, and incorporate those into your title. Now, the homework for this would be to create a kind of competitive spreadsheet list of who else is in this space, right? So I have this spreadsheet that says title, author, rating. So this is their Amazon star rating, which you can get a ballpark of if you go. Sorry, let's go back here. I'll show you where to get it. Right down here, 4.3 out of 5 stars. So I could plug that in. This is a different title, by the way. The number of reviews it has, the sales rank, which we'll get to in a little bit, but it helps to fill this in, is 65,000 in this case, and so that's right under product details. The lower the number, the more copies it's selling. The higher the number, the fewer copies it's selling. So if you see a book that's ranked really, really low, that that it's selling a lot. And the general guideline that I've heard is a sales rank of 20,000, which equates to around 5 copies a day. Also put in the price for comparison, how long this book is, and here's where you can fill in, what readers liked, what readers disliked, and I'll give you a copy of this template so you can use this to your advantage. And we'll get through, we'll kind of get through more of the competitive research on the keyword side of things. But what I'm really looking for here is what's out there, what's my competitive landscape looking like, and what opportunities might there be based on especially the neutral and kind of negative reviews of the existing products. Like what gaps can I fill that those books aren't addressing?